Learn with Zara, an educational channel. English conversation about school fun day. Learn English speaking.
Hi, how was the fun day at school?
It was awesome. So much fun.
What was the first thing you did?
We played a big race outside.
Did you run fast?
Yes, I ran as fast as I could.
Wow! Did you win?
Yes, I came in first place.
That's great! Did you get a prize?
Yes, I got a medal.
What color was the medal?
It was shiny and gold.
That's so cool! What did you do next?
After the race, we had a picnic.
What did you eat?
I had a sandwich and some cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Chocolate chip cookies, my favorite.
Yum! Did you bring any drinks?
Yes, I brought juice with me.
What flavor was your juice?
It was apple juice. So good.
What happened after the picnic?
We played with water balloons.
Water balloons? Did you get wet?
Yes, I got soaked, but it was fun.
Did you throw many balloons?
Yes, I threw them at all my friends.
Did they throw balloons back at you?
Yes, we were all laughing so much.
What happened after that?
After that, we had a dance party in the gym.
What music did they play?
They played Baby Shark and other fun songs.
Was Baby Shark your favorite song?
Yes, everyone was singing.
That must have been fun. Did you get tired?
A little, but I didn't stop singing.
What happened after singing?
We went to make friendship bracelets.
Did you make one?
Yes, I made one for my best friend Zara.
What colors did you use?
I used pink and blue, her favorite colors.
That's really sweet. What happened next?
We had a surprise magic show.
A magic show? What did the magician do?
He did lots of tricks and he made a bunny appear.
A real bunny? Did you get to pet it?
Yes, it was so soft and cute.
Wow, amazing. What was your favorite part of the magic show?
The bunny trick, of course.
Did the magician do any other cool tricks?
Yes, he made things disappear and reappear. It was amazing.
That sounds awesome. Did you have any other activities?
After the magic show, we had a small quiz.
A quiz? What kind of questions?
Simple ones about the fun day and animals.
Did you do well on the quiz?
Yes, I answered most of the questions right.
That's great. What was the last thing you did?
At we all got ice cream.
Ice cream? What flavor did you get?
I got chocolate, my favorite.
Lucky you! Did everyone get ice cream?
Yes, we all did. It was a treat for the fun day.
That sounds like the perfect ending to the day.
Yes, it was. I didn't want the day to end.
What was your favorite part of the whole day?
I loved the race and the magic show.
I bet the bunny trick was your favorite.
Yes, that bunny was so cute.
Are you excited for the next year's fun day?
Yes, I can't wait to do it again.
Maybe next time I can come too.
Yes, you'll have to join in the games.
I'll try to win the race next time.
Haha, we'll see about that. I'm super fast.
Well, I am glad you had a great day.
Thanks. It was the best day ever.
I can't wait to hear all about next year's fun day.
Me too. I hope it's even better. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.